Even before the time of the Buddha, India and Japan have been powerful cultures that have moved the world. This rich, distinctive cultural confluence has contributed enormously for the betterment of mankind. The role of technology has been pivotal in the growth of these nations, and at the pinnacle of Japan's innovative stride since the past century has been Fujitsu General Limited. Since 83 years, Fujitsu General Limited has been the torchbearer at the heart of global HVAC business, a global force synonymous with quality and reliability. Joining hands with Fujitsu General Limited is another name that stands for trust and freshness. A name that Fujitsu General Limited has instilled immense faith on to embark on a new journey in India. A name that has been serving its customers since the past 22 years with matchless commitment. ABS Aircon Engineers, an HVAC contracting company built by various consultants, PMCs, clients, and staff members alike. After handling over 1,000 projects in over 15 domains across India, ABS is proud to signal a new beginning with Fujitsu General Limited, a testimony for all the collaborations since eons. From today, ABS will have Fujitsu General walking by its side forever.
With a global leader by our side, the possibilities for a contracting firm are infinite. What started as a little spark today is reaching the skies.
India is one of the key markets for us, and ABS is the first step towards our global journey into becoming a commercial air conditioning force.
Like us, they too care for human beings, for their work culture, for fine details, for long-lasting relationship, and perhaps that's why they connected with us. We connected so well with them.
Around 6 years ago, Fujitsu General was just like ABS now. We see a reflection of Fujitsu General's energy, dedication, and focus on customer delight in ABS. And this is why we choose ABS as a partner.
For anybody in India, Japan means a land of futuristic thinkers, ancient culture, and great people. When one of the respected Japanese company, Fujitsu General, wanted to collaborate with us, obviously we were thrilled, and at the same time we realized that the principles and methods what we followed over the last 22 years resonates with one of the world's best corporates, to say the least.
SAP Phase 4 project complies with the LEED Platinum US GBC norms. It was not an easy task to execute it, given the kind of changes and iterations we have had over a period of time. But I believe the way ABS team stood up to it and delivered is something commendable.
As a leading consultant, we have been working closely for years. I am certain this partnership will make an everlasting impact.
Together, we aim to become the leading total air conditioning solution provider in India.
This is not just a collaboration, it's a celebration. A celebration of cultures, ideas, values, growth, and our dreams. It is an important strategic partnership for us in India, and it's a certainly celebration of harmony and togetherness.